Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia. And yes, I got a croaky voice. And it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday here. Welcome, Tom.
Hey, buddy, how you feeling? You sound like $1 million.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I felt like it felt like a bit less than that, but that's okay, cool.
You doing better?
Yeah. Yeah, I was out of it for a few days trying to
Good. I'm
get
glad you're
better.
feeling better, man.
That's okay. Thanks. Anyway, let's just share this to start with. Um, so welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note that any trades, please note any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because a group of people help each other, and we are not financial advisors. So please don't take trades you hope you take based on your own analysis. There's a full risk disclosure, a bit about us as live session traders. So how have you been going
Uh,
trading wise or whatever else? Anything? Because you were
well,
moving around a bit or something.
as far as trading goes, well, as far as everything else goes, it's still fine. But as far as trading goes, just getting better every day, man. Holy moly!
That's good.
Not only am I just winning more, but getting better trades. Now I'm increasing what I'm spending too. I'm no longer taking those little bitty point oh 0.01 trades anymore.
Right.
I'm kick
Okay.
now. I'm starting to kick up to some major movage.
So yeah. Lot
Hmm.
size. Okay. So are you calculating them to percentage or are you um
Always.
okay, good. Lovely. All right, let's just go look at the pairs and see where they're at and what's happening. And last week was the employment figures here. It went from 4.1 up to 4.3 unemployed, which is quite a significant sort of tick up. Um, so it just gives more credence to the fact that potentially next month there'll be an interest rate cut. Anyway, there wasn't last month, but that was a bit of a shock. Right, so Aussie dollar, AUD CAD. You can see it pushed back up here, didn't hit my stop loss, and then basically come back down. I'm sticking positive again on it. There's young Darren. There's Mr. EA.
Yeah.
Welcome, Darren. How are you?
All right. About you, Brian? It's not been very well, have you?
No, no, no. No, there was a couple of nights I couldn't lie down. I had to sit up because I was coughing so much. But
Yeah.
anyway, that's life. Everything. All right, we're back on track. Back on track. So, yeah, we'll get onto your EAs in a little while. We'll just go through some pairs and we'll see where we sit. Um, so yeah, AUD CAD, it's still going a bit sideways, but look, it never broke the high there. So I'm looking at it to sell further out
I just got into the buy.
the buy. Oh yeah. It's still in a buy in this shorter term. Yep. Okay. And so you think it's on the way up from this come down now it's pushing back up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it's gonna test that lower high to the left.
hmm This one
Uh, no, the top of the left.
over here.
Yeah,
Oh wow. Okay.
because we're trending up.
Yeah.
So I'm
Yeah, I
looking
can
at the
see that.
liquidity sitting above me, and the bottom keeps not wanting to drop. It's still
Yeah.
pushing up. So I got in on the
Yeah.
buy, and if it turns here to come back down, just get out.
Yeah. Okay. And you might get that before the rate cut.
Right. It's how much? So I'm in now, and I'm looking at it to go up to 200, and they call it 200. So 200 pips. It's all it's got to move is
Oh yeah.
200 pips.
Yeah,
So
okay.
even if it moves 100 pips and I get out, I've still made money.
Yeah, that's right. As long as you got it in that direction that it's going. All right. AUDCHF. I say, oh, yeah, okay. Right, yeah, AUDCHF, it did a push up. It's still pushing back down again. So I'm not too fussed on this one. It's still, that looks like a sellout further. It crossed over here, red with the white down. Yeah. We'll see if it breaks the low down here. But I'm still just on this for a lot of the CHFs. Sellouts. Okay, ADJPY. I'm still in the buy on this, even though it's pulled back down here at the moment. Look, I haven't been able to monitor things very well over the last week, but anyway, I have been watching. So yeah, are you going anywhere near this, Tom, for a sell?
I'm not in it yet. I'm getting ready to get into it. Yes.
Okay.
So I'm setting up my limit order on this trade.
Yeah. Okay. I'll be looking at. We'll just see anyway.
For the sell, not the buy.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, I totally agree. I'm still in positive on it. It's like,
Well,
probably
I'm
through
only looking for it to come back to that top bar you got. That
to
white bar going across there.
this one.
Yeah. So I don't think it's going to beat that bottom bar that you got.
Yeah,
So
that
between
one. Yeah.
those two, I'm looking to
Yeah.
pick up the trade for the buy back up.
Yeah, okay.
But that's where I think it's going down to. So I'm going to pick up that trade first.
Mm. Yeah. Well, obviously it's JP boys are picking up a bit and it's not with any sort of momentum, but it is moving. All right, I'll need to reevaluate some of these and maybe take profit out. AD, NZD, I got knocked out of that from the, yeah, look at that to sell. Anyway, it's probably in that situation to maybe start to sell now. Well, it has been selling, sorry. It's crossed over here, so it's like as if it's going to have to pull back to a certain point, maybe here and then start coming back up again. Where's price at the moment? It's there. No. Yep. Okay. No, not in it, but we'll see. AD Singapore. I think it probably got in and then got spiked back out again. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. Let me just have a look. Sorry. It's off anyway. I'll have a look. Just look at this one spike and then push back up again. Like it would have kicked me in and then taken me out all within the one day. Anyway, I'll go have a look.
That's harsh.
It is harsh, isn't it? Oh yeah, there we go. Where are we with it? Yeah, I probably got knocked right out. Yeah, I did. Straight in and straight out. That's no good. And the next one, exactly the same sort of thing happened. AUD/USD. Look at that, kick me in, push me back out. It's okay. That's understandable. Anyway. Okay, so both of these ones need to be. Okay, CAD CHF.
I'm still in this one.
Yeah, I'm still in it for the sell too. It's actually not doing too bad. It just is mulling around at the moment though, and it's outside the sort of the rails. Yeah, you sort of hung on to it, and it's just been up and down sideways because you got all of that out of it. Anyway, I'm still got some positive on that one. It's all right. KJPY. I'm still on that. It's pulled back again.
I'm in. I'm in 2 for the short.
Yeah, well, I've got to look at this to get out because I want to profit out because I've been in the buy and it looks like it's pulling back towards now. It could just come back and then back up again, but I think it's worth maybe taking some out of it and then looking at getting back into the buy. And we'll see. CHF JPY, I'm in the buy on that as well. It's gone sideways. I'm in the buy. You're in the short?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, and it could be doing that anyway. Again, I've got to reevaluate all these today. Okay, your AUD. That's the one I got in. They just knocked me out straight away. If I can get past that sort of danger zone bit, there's a fair distance that they'll potentially travel. Like there's some there like this one. I don't want to CHF JPY. Like I'm up 412 pips on that. Yeah. Nearly 300 on what is it? GBP CHF. The AUD CHF 100, nearly 200 pips. So if you can get in them and travel, it's not too bad. It's when they knock you out at the start. Anyway, thinking more about how you had approached it, Tom, anyway, with moving stops and stuff. We'll see. Anyway, yeah, you're a CAD. No, not in that one yet. Okay. I think I got knocked out of it. I was in the buy, I got knocked out and it's back in again. Euro CHF. Yeah. But sideways on that. Euro GBP. Pretty sure. Not yet. Okay. No, not yet. I'm looking at that to buy, but we'll see.
I'm in 2 for the short on this one. I may lose
Wow.
these.
Yeah, because I think it's on the buy. Anyway, Euro JPY. I'm still in the positive on that one as well. Up 100 pips on that. So we'll just see. Yeah, it's got a really tight stop. Well, 30 pip stop loss is relatively tight for that. But it looks like it's still moving up. So, okay, you're at NZD. I'm not in that. Well, I think I got knocked out again. It's just, yeah, it was a bit disconcerting, those. US Singapore. same sort of thing. Euro USD. And where did I get? No, I'm not in that as well. I reckon this is getting ready to buy back up now. Let's see. Push back up. You're not getting into the buy,
Me?
Tom? Yeah.
No, I'm waiting for the short.
Okay. And Darren, you've got this is your EAs. A lot of them are on Euro USD, aren't they?
He's muted.
Yeah, I know. It's all right.
Yes, correct. They are. So
Yeah.
FX Proctor, which is in Euro USD for the sell at the moment.
Right.
Right, it's in
Yeah.
drawdown of just under 1%.
Yeah, okay.
It's actually 8% up since it started. FX Proctor, so it's doing pretty well.
Wow. But it is a lot more radical, though. It does go into a fair bit of drawdown.
It's what, sorry, Brian?
It does go into a fair bit of drawdown, though, doesn't it?
It has done, yeah.
Yeah.
It's got as high as
Yeah.
4 or 5% at one point.
Well, yeah. So it's
All right.
it's keenly profitable. It's
Yeah,
just that it has to use a fair drawdown
yeah,
to be able to get there. Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
And then Dark Algo, that is also on Euro USD, and that's in the sell as well. That's just under. I mean, it's in a minuscule amount of drawdown, I mean, irrelevant, but that's just under 2%. But so that's more cautious.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
limited drawdown, but
And sharpshooters on Euro USD as
oh, it
well.
is. Yes, you're right. Sharpshooter.
And
Yeah,
that's the one that's had the lowest drawdown.
yeah. I do really like the looks of this sharpshooter. Um, it's just coming up to about 2% up now, almost.
Yeah.
Um, that's in a buy on Euro USD, but
Yeah.
these are short trades, so
Yeah. Yeah.
um,
And have you initiated the iFunds account?
not yet. But this week, sort of end of this week, is where I'm potentially looking to.
You're planning. Yeah, okay.
Uh,
All
um,
right. Okay.
yeah,
Well, that's all positive then. How's that one that's on the what was it?
Euro CHF.
USD? Yeah. The
Uh,
what's it called? Fortnite or no?
yeah, yeah. Well, I switched to these to the low risk, and
Yeah.
um, since they did that, it's been in a couple of trades now for gosh, 3 weeks now. Still haven't the trades are still running, so it's completely different. This low risk,
Oh, wow. It's just
not in
been
not in any drawdown. It's around about break even at the minute.
wow.
It's buy. There's one sell trade open, 4 buy positions open at the moment.
Wow. Okay.
So
All
it's
right.
completely different to that first
Yeah.
version, the higher risk one. Was literally just trading and trading, just multiple
Yeah.
trades every day. But
Okay.
so
All right,
I
let's
put
go.
on that then. So jury's out at the minute on that one. So I'm not seeing any results.
Yeah.
Just
It's still just sitting there. Well, it's not much good if it doesn't actually close trades. I mean, it just
oh.
depends. It could all of a sudden change. Anyway. All right, let's go GBPs.
Well, the target's 1%. It closes at 1% profit. That's That's how it works. I did check.
Okay. Oh, right. So
Choose
that's
with
the
Dolly.
setup in it. Okay.
Yeah. So also there's no TP, whereas you can see the TP in the IRS version.
Yeah.
When you go to the trade, and also there's no TP, and I explained that it's 1%.
Aha.
Maybe it's 1% and position will close.
Mm.
That's how I understand it.
All right. Well, GA is mull around here. It's just weird. It just for me, it's crazy. I had it set up for the buy up, and then it just like dropped right out. And fair enough, because it had come up to these. It had tried. I thought it would break through, but it just dropped off. So yeah, and GBP CAD, that one also. I don't know if that initiated and then dropped. Anyway, it also dropped off as well. All the GBPs, GBP CHF. Thank you. Let's back up there a bit. Still, where is it? Yeah, 277 pips. Just keeps going in that nice direction. It's come up. It looks like it's ready to push back down again. GBP JPY. Not in that. GN. Not in that. GBP Singapore. Not in that. And GU, interesting because it dropped off and now it's pushing back up again. Are you getting into the buy, Tom?
No, I'm still waiting for this one to decide.
Okay, you don't think it's made the decision? Oh, right. So yeah, okay, gotcha. I understand what you're saying. All right, enter DCAD. Yeah, so not getting that out. Look at it sideways. It's now starting to do a bit of a jump around. Entity CHF's the only CHF that I haven't actually got into. It has gone sideways. We'll see. All right, entity JPY. I'm still in that, but I think I need to sort of get myself out of that one. And NU in the buy, Tom, or not? I don't know if you'd be in NU.
I'm sorry. What
Okay.
did you say something to me?
Yeah, are you in the buy for this? Sorry,
Oh no, I'm not in this.
it's the croaky voice.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
GBP JPY. Oh, sorry, Singapore Japanese yen. I'm in that, and still up 100 pips. So I may look at these JPYs to get out of. Okay, UCAD not in, but I think it could be. Well, depends. There might be a short-term sellout in that one. USD CHF. I'm in that sell. It came back up and now it's pushed back down again. That's good. Yeah, 130 pips or so. So yeah, we'll see. I might just stay in that. I think UJ, I never got into that. It has pulled back as well. And USD Singapore. Now I'm still in. No, no, it came out and knocked me out. Wasn't positive, but anyway, it looks like it's ready to sell further out now. Yeah, it's been a bit of neglect over the last week. Gold is pushing. That's a solid push up the last 24 hours. there's something happened US or is
Jerome Powell
Jerome?
speaks in the morning.
Oh God, okay. And apparently, I saw the interview with the Supreme Leader, like who dared put this guy in this position? You know, he's an idiot. And then they go back and they go, you actually put him in this position.
Mm-hmm.
And then he's like, oh, we're gonna get rid of him. It's like, oh no, we'll probably keep him. Like it's just like all over the shop. Anyway, it's interesting. All right, silver. That shot up as well. Silver's gone up a lot in the last, whatever, since sort of the end of May. Obviously, it's one of those metals that they need for whatever. Bitcoin's up 117, going sideways, and oil is still at 67, sideways as well. So not a lot of movement on some of that. But yeah. So things are going okay, Darren. You're just being a little sort of watching and waiting what's happening with them before you do an iFunds.
Yeah. Yeah.
And are you going to put sharpshooter on iFunds or one of the others?
That's the plan. Yeah.
The plan. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because of the low drawdown. So
Yeah. Yeah. So what's the static maximum on that iFunds?
10%. I mean, you can adjust it.
Okay.
I mean, I've thought about that. So with the sharpshooter, it's never got anywhere near 10%. I could say try
Yeah.
to 6% or something. But obviously, as the account then grows, it's a static drawdown.
Yeah, yeah. That's going to bring you into an
Tighter
issue.
percentage. So
Yeah.
maybe better starting at 10% and then just have that static drawdown of one that it's 10,000 accounts. What I'm gonna
Yeah.
open, I think.
Okay.
Sort of best market.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, well, you'll keep us posted. I'll see. Hopefully, I can improve a bit through the week. We'll see how I can. So, I'm on the last day today, I think, of the antibiotic.
When there's the powerhouse vigorous as well, isn't there? So powerhouse vigorous, powerhouse
What's
sharp.
that?
This sort of powerhouse range. So there's the powerhouse vigorous as well as the powerhouse.
Oh, by the same developer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just looking on the EA Academy results on that 100K project, and again, it's doing very well. That's the powerhouse vigorous.
Okay.
Still up 30%.
In what time?
I'm not sure actually.
Yeah. Okay.
It's on the 100K
Yeah.
project.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Okay. So it's on the 100K one, but
yeah.
it's hard for me to tell. Like, what's the space and time that they're giving you? But anyway,
Yeah, it's not obvious, is it?
no, no, but that's
Gives you a
okay.
profit the last 30 days. So the last 30 days.
Oh, it's 30 days. Okay.
No, that's the last 30. I think they've been running this longer than 30 days, but it gives you the absolute gain so far, and then the 30-day profit. So the Powerhouse Vigorous, it's about 4K profit on a 100K Darwin X account. So it's about 4% the last 30 days then.
Wow.
30%.
And that's within the realms of you know, potential.
Yeah,
It's not crazy, and it's not. Yeah, 4%'s anywhere sort of around that 2 to 4% is pretty
yeah,
good.
yeah, it is. We just click on the
So to take you, yeah, I'm just thinking about other funded accounts. It'd take you probably 3 months or so to be able to upgrade. Okay, no worries.
just clicked on. It's taking the you click on it, takes you to the website. It says average monthly profit 2%.
Yeah,
Average 12 trades per day.
12 a day.
Yeah, yeah. The sort of quick in and out trades. Quite small lot sizes. Well, it has the vigorous has. Oh, no, wait a minute. It has a drawdown as high as 15%. That was back in
Yeah,
March 23.
yeah, yeah.
More recently, November 23, it hit about 12%. So, I mean, that's obviously a long time ago, but
Well, it doesn't matter, Darren. It still has the opportunity to get into those
yeah,
drawdown cycles. And it's
yeah,
not something that you would do on a funded one.
no,
It's one that you would do on for a ongoing profit that would have to be on your own money
yeah, I
that
think
you
so.
could um, handle that drawdown without,
Yeah,
you know, um, in the hope that it's going to pull back up again.
yeah,
Because there's really the two different types of EA. One is that you can use on your own account where the drawdown can be more than 10% at any point in time. You don't know. But the profits are consistent, right?
yeah,
Where to go on a funded account, you need something that has a low drawdown because you don't
yeah,
want to test. That's the thing you don't want to test, but has a mild sort of profit return. And that's the thing is when you do it on a larger capital amount, those smaller profits actually mean a lot more. So
yeah. I mean, the sharpshooter. This is according to
yeah,
the FX book link. The maximum drawdown it's had July 24 was about 4%.
yeah. See, that's
Uh,
the thing. That's what you can cope with that
yeah.
in a you don't want to test, you don't it's that
You
sort of
don't. Uh,
yeah.
it looks like typically it sort of gets to 2% every couple of months or so.
Yeah.
2 or 3 months you get a sort of
Yeah.
drawdown situation, 2%, and then it
Yeah.
recovers.
Yeah.
Takes a little bit of time to recover, and then in between those drawdown events, it's within sort of 1% month
Yeah.
all the time.
And then it makes its profit per month. That's
Yeah.
the thing.
I
Mm.
mean, I think I'm on medium risk on that, so I suspect even if this is a high risk settings, it probably is, isn't it? In the MyFX book.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's
You,
low, medium, and
you,
high.
you don't know. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
Well, they're going to want to promote the best results, aren't they? So,
Right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're probably right. It'd be on the higher settings then to get a better result. But
so
to only have
how,
4% drawdown, that's pretty good.
yeah. So which made me toy with the idea of adjusting the drawdown from the 10%, maybe going for 6 or something. But you know,
Uh,
so the downside of that is as the balance let the balance compound, the drawdown's static at $1,000.
Correct.
Obviously,
So
from
as the account grows, then the potential drawdown could be larger or grow slowly larger.
terms, yeah.
Yeah, which is what would catch you out.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's where you need to upgrade to another account and to another one. You've
Well, that's
got
what they probably that's what they want you to do, don't they?
yeah.
Yeah. So you start off with 10,000, might get to about 14, 15,000 or something. Think, this is getting a bit tight now with that drawdown. I need to upgrade. So
Yeah, it's because as soon as you build those profits, that static drawdown becomes less than 10%. And it goes down to 9 to 8 to 7 to, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
And that's what would catch you out. So you need to monitor that.
Yeah.
Anyway. Okay. Well, I think that's me for today. I'll go and have a little rest. And then wait for market open to see how things go.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Tom, you all right there?
Yeah, all good, man. Hope you feel better.
Yeah, well, it's slowly getting better. It's been a gradual process. All right then. Thanks for sharing,
It's that
Darren. Anyway.
time of year for you, Brian, isn't it? In the middle of winter there. So
Yeah. Well, yeah. No. We're due to. There's supposed to be 100K winds over
nice.
today. So at some through that high country, and then they're talking snow. There's going to be rain. And then on the weekend we got heaps of rain coming. Apparently, well, heaps as in 20, 30 mils. So we'll see. Hopefully we can get a bit into the storages, well, into the dams. That's where my concern is at the moment. But yeah. All right then.
Okay,
Take it
take
easy.
care.
Take
So
care, guys.
hopefully I'll see you